Hello everyone. Welcome to Kayan Technology CMSWS Player Series tutorial video. In this section, we will walk you through the steps to install and configure CMSWS Player, Windows app version. Install CMSWS Player. First, please go to Kayan's official website. Click Products Flexi Solution CMSWS Player. Click Downloads in the top right corner. Select Windows app version. Double-click the file and follow the steps to complete installation. Click Installation Guide to check detailed installation instructions. Configure CMSWS Player. After downloading and installing the app, click Setting. You will be prompted to enter the PIN code. The default PIN code is 0000. If you want to modify your PIN code or change your display language, click the icon in the upper right corner. If your device connects to more than one screen, please select the screen you want to edit. Select Enable to activate the playback settings. If you do not want this screen to show any content, please select Disable. Select CMSWS as the model name. Choose your browser type. Select HTTP or HTTPS as your communication protocol. Enter the IP address or URL of the CMSWS server. Enter the username and password to access the CMS server. Default username, administrator and password, admin. Enter the host name and group which this playback device belongs to. Tap plus and select a media file. Set the default playback content. When CMSWS Player disconnects a server, the player will play the default content you set here. The player will switch back to the playback streaming from the server when the connection resumes. CMSWS Player supports the following formats. Click Save and Test button to verify connection. Click on the playback button and the media player will start to receive streaming signals and play accordingly. For detailed instructions of a specific function, please check out other tutorial videos or the relevant resources at the bottom of the product page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow our product news and details. Thank you for watching and thank you for choosing Kayan Technology.